The sunshine and the moonlight. When scientists inquired into the sun, comparing it to the moon, they have found out that it is a flaming, shining, and glaring star. On the contrary, the moon is a desert and a dusty mass. It is not a self-lighting celestial body, and the light we see at night, as if it is coming from the moon, is reflected from the sun. This fact was not certainly assured before man went into space, but it was mentioned in the noble Qur'an with a very accurate description. The verse number 5 in the chapter entitled Yunus, or Prophet Jonah, says, "It is he who made the sun to be a shining glory and the moon to be a light." This precision in distinguishing the reflected light from the self-produced light became known to people only recently. Light is reflected from another shining body, while shine is self-produced. That is why the moonlight looks like a gleam, while the sunshine is splendid. There are other Quranic verses that distinguish the sunshine from the moonlight, such as the verse number 16 in the chapter entitled Nuh, or Noah, in which the sun is described as a lamp. The verse says, "And made the moon a light in their midst, and made the sun as a glorious lamp." And in the verse number 13, quoted from the chapter entitled An-Naba, the Great News, the word dazzling is used to describe the sun, "and have appointed a dazzling lamp." The sun is the lamp, and the moon only gives the light reflected from the sun, as God the Omniscient says in the verse number 61, in chapter entitled Al-Furqan, or the Criterion. "Blessed is he who hath placed in the heaven constellations, and hath placed therein a great lamp, and a moon giving light." To conclude, we can notice that the Holy Qur'an used many descriptions which prove the fact that the sunshine is self-produced, while the moonlight is only described as a body that gives the light reflected from the sun.
Allah, Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah.